This is our 2005 DLX 110 pit bike. Used very little, runs great. It's got, let's see, a new rear tire. It hasn't been ridden maybe an hour on the new tire. Front tire is the original, but that's still looks great, hardly any wear. The decals are coming off, but I think it looks better without the decals. Matt, you want to start it up? It usually starts first kick. Take it up in the field and back. Obviously he's getting a little big for the bike. He has another bike, so we're looking to sell this one.